Namaste, welcome to math class. And today I am going to teach the construction of rectangle and the different conditions. Okay, and first one I am going to teach how to construct the rectangle. Okay, PQRS. The name of the rectangle is PQRS. Look, I am showing here. Name of the rectangle is PQRS. This raw figure. Okay, name of the rectangle is PQRS. I have P. This is the question one. Okay, what are the given values in the questions? Okay, I'm showing in this raw figure. PQ is given there. Okay, PQ is given there 5.4 centimeter. This is 5.4 centimeter. Okay, this side is given 5.4 centimeter, and angle QPR. QPR. Actually, when you write the name of this rectangle, it should be really PQ. Write R. This vertex is okay. This vertex is R. PQRS. Write them respectively. PQRS. Okay. And here this PQ is 5.4 centimeter. Automatically SR also be 5.4 because opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. And here is given one more thing, that is QPR is 45 degrees. Look here, QPR. That means this angle is given here. Okay, this angle, the angle made by the diagonal with this one. Look here. Okay, this diagonal PR is one diagonal, and this angle is given there. This angle is given there 45 degrees. Okay, 45 degree. Okay, one side is given, then angle made by the diagonal with this side is given 45 degrees. In such condition, how to construct rectangle? Okay, that I want to teach you here. Okay, how to construct this rectangle when one side of the rectangle is given and the angle made by the diagonal with the side is given there. Okay, in such condition, how to construct it? First of all, we have to take the help of ruler. Okay, take the help of ruler, and here first of all draw one line segment having the length 5.4 centimeter. Draw like this. Okay, 5.4 centimeter is here. Okay, this is 5.4. Okay, now you can put the name here. This was P, as I have given in the raw figure. This is P. Okay, and this is Q end of this line. Okay, this is Q, this is Q. Okay, this is PQ, and its length is 5.4 centimeter. You can mention here 5 point, okay, 5.4 centimeter right there. Okay, right there, 5.4 centimeter. Okay, that is 5.4. Now take the help of compass and put this compass at this one end of this line segment. Okay, PQ, and here we are going to construct 45 degree. For 45 degree, we have to draw one main arc. Okay, now pick up this compass and put here. This is okay 0 degree, and this for 0 degree. Okay, now cut here main arc from this 0 degree. Cut the main arc. Okay, for the main arc, this is the 60 degree. Now pick up this and put the compass at the 60 degree and cut the arc for 120 degree here. After that, now put the compass at this one. Okay, and this 120 degree, and for this arc for 90 degree. Okay, because for 45 degree we need to chord 90 degree for the 90 degree, and this from 60 degree also chord this side. Okay, this is 90 degree. Okay, this is for 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree one. Now take the help of ruler. Okay, take the help of ruler and join the line for 90 degree. Put here and join the line for 90 degree. Put it straight like this. Okay, and join this line, draw line and join for the 90 degree. Okay, here we can draw in three places only, main arc and last one 0 here, because we don't need this now to show in this rectangle. We are going to construct 45 degree, that's why we are joining in three different places. Okay, so then now we have to put compass this where the 90 degree has chord this main arc. We are putting the compass there. Okay, then we are moving compass and chord this side. Okay, wherever it is cutting, this cutting point is the point for 45 degree. Now take the help of ruler. Okay, take the help of ruler. Take the help of ruler and join this line for 45 degree. Join the line for 45 degree. Okay, put it straight and bring it down and join. Okay, join this with this point and with the help of straight line, and this is 45 degree. Okay, this is 45 degree as we have drawn, and you can write here 45 degree, 45. Okay, this is 45 degree. Okay, excellent. Now as we know that there is not given any other side, and we know that this angle, look here, I am just showing draw figure, look at this angle is 90 degree. That's why at this point Q we have to construct 90 degree angle here. Okay, take one arc. Okay, take one arc and draw here one main arc again, because we are constructing here 90 degree. That's why put compass here, now it's 0, and rotate it and chord this side for 60 degree. Chord this side for 60 degree. Now move this compass and put at this 60 degree one. Okay, and chord the arc for 120 degree and chord the arc for 90 degree also up. Okay, now put this compass at this 120 degree and chord this arc here for 90 degree. As we know that each angle of rectangle is 90 degree, that's why put this compass this will, okay, and chord this one. Now put the ruler straight to this one, put compass at the side and join this. Okay, join this 90 degree so that it will chord this diagonal. Okay, it will cause diagonal like this one, join up to here. Okay, we got 90 degree. Okay, now we have to put this ruler also at the side, and you can put here 90 degree also. Okay, because we know each angle of rectangle is 90 degree, you can mention here 90 degree also. Okay, children, and here 90 degree you can write. Now wherever it cuts here, okay, this cutting point, you can P Q, you can put here name R, put here R. This point name is R. Okay, like this we construct this one. Okay, 90 degree, and it cuts the diagonal here at point R. Okay, now let's take the help of, okay, compass. Take the help of compass. Okay, take the help of compass and measure this side. Okay, look here, I am telling to measure this side and measure this side one length. We know opposite sides of the rectangle are equal, that's to measure these sides. Okay, measure this side. This length should be measured, and same one. Now put compass here at point P, and here also chord the same length one. Okay, chord like this. Okay, because QR and PS length and this QR length will be equal. That's why we measured here and chord the same arc this side also. Now put the compass here. Okay, compass here and measure this one. Okay, look here. We are going to measure this side. This side one we are measuring. This side one. PQ. PQ. PQ is 5.4 centimeter. We are measuring this side. Now put the compass here at the point R. Okay. At the point R we are putting. Okay. Put at the point R. Here. Okay. Point R. Now chord this one. Previous one we have taken Q to R. No, this one R chord. Chord this arc like this. Chord this arc. Okay. It is cutting here. Here is cutting one point. Okay. Now this point, wherever this curve, we are measuring this one. Okay. PQ and RS. This is S. Okay. Now we have to write this name is S. Its name is S. Write here S. This is S. Okay. This is S point. Now take the help of ruler and join it. Join this. Like this, put and join this. Okay, with the help of ruler and this pencil one, join this intersection point and with this one. Okay, R. And now we have to put the ruler this side and join it also. R, this S and P should be also joined. Join S and P also. We need this also. Wherever it has chord, okay. That S point and P point also join now. Join these 2 points. Make them straight and join with the help of ruler and pencil. Join this like this with the straight line. Okay. Like this we got P Q R S. Okay, is the rectangle. Okay, that we have got here. One side is given. Okay, one diagonal. The angle made by the diagonal with this one side is given. One angle is given. Like this we have to draw the rectangle. Okay, when one side and angle made by the diagonal with that side is given. I hope you have understood it. Today this much only. Keep practicing this construction. Okay, thank you very much.